Hello and welcome to Technical Skills YouTube channel. This is Shafaqat Ali with another video of Android development. So today in this video we will learn how we can create this beautiful glossy effect authentication form. So we will create two pages, one for the login and the other one for registration. So this application will be responsive in all the devices. So we have different methods of authentication and we will perform in the later videos. So first we will create this beautiful authentication form. So first of all, here we have empty project. There is nothing added in this project, so we have to remove the action bar. So open the resource values and theme. Here we have to change the theme. So here I will select theme with no action bar. So select this one and just close this theme, and here we have to open main activity dot java, and here we have to open the XML code. So because we want to make it responsive, so here we have to remove this text view, and first one we have to add here few images and logos. So here we have folder and here we have different images and logos. So here I will copy and here I will paste inside our project. So here we have to select this drawable and just simply paste it here. Okay, now here we have to add the view for background. So here I will select the view. So for classy effect we have to add here view. So here I will select the match parent, and here I have to select it in background. So here I will select here hash 0000, and here we have to close it, and here we have to select the background. So here I will select the background, that is bg from tribal. Okay, now our background is added. Now here we have to adjust the transparent, and here we have to drag it like this. You can see here we have glossy effect, we can adjust it. So now we will add the scroll view for our content. So here I will select scroll view. So here I will select into match parent and just close it. Now here we have to give the view port, and here we have to select the true. Okay, inside scroll view we have to add the layout. So here I will select the constraint layout, that is match parent, and just close it. So here we will add all our stuff. So I just go to design, and here we will add our few stuff. So first of all we have login logo. So here I will simply select here text views. So just simply drag here text view and add the constraint, because constraint layout is very easy and advanced to use. So that's why I'm selecting the constraint layout. So here we have to drag a little bit at bottom. So go to text, and here we have to select into login. Now we have to add here text size. So here I will select text size into 44 dp, 44 sp, and text color. So here I will select the color into white, and we have to select the logo. So go to design, and here I will select font family, not logo, font family. So here we have to select here more font, and here I will select this one. Let me search here. Here I will select this one and click OK. So our font is added. So here we have to go again to text, and here we will select font, not font, it's style. So here I will select text style, and here we have to select the bold. Okay, now our logo is fine. You can also increase the size if you want. So now we will add over two added text. So here I will select added text for email. So here I will select added text 1 and added text for second. So here I will select here second. Okay, so first one is over input email, and the second one is input password. Okay, so go to text, and here we have to add few stuff here. So first one we have to give here hint. So here I will select here simple email, and now we have to remove this one, and here we have to again give the hint, and here I will pass here password. So this one is email text, so here I will select the type, and this one is our password, so here I will select text password. Okay, so we have to add the constraints. So first of all we have to create the background, so here I will create the background in drawable. So here I will right click new and select the drawable, and here I will select input bg, and here we have to select the item. So I will select item, inside item I will select shape, inside shape I will select corner, and here I will select the radius will be 5 dp, and just close it. Now here I will select the uh, stroke, so here I will select color white, and it will be 2 dp, that is enough. So here I will select width 2 dp. Okay, now go to activity main.xml, and here we will select the background for this email. So I will select here input bg, and same we will use for password. Okay, so here we will change the text color into white, and hint color into white, and we will use same for password. Okay, so now we have to add the padding. So here I will padding left is 20 dp, padding top 13 dp, padding bottom 13 dp, padding right 20 dp. Okay, so here I will copy all the paddings and just simply paste inside over next edit text. Okay, so go to design, and here I will add the constraints. So here I will add the constraint from left and right and from top. So here we have to give a margin little bit from top. So here I have to select from match parent and give the margin from left and right into 24 dp. Okay, now select it here, and again add the padding to the top, and here match parent. Okay, okay, also we have to add the constraint from the top. So here I will select the top constraint, so here I will give the margin only 16 dp. Okay, so we have to add the vector asset. So here I will right click new and select the vector asset, and here I have to select email. So here I will select this one. Okay, and here I have to choose the white color. So here I will press F, and here I have to choose next and finish. So now we have to choose for password. So here I will select here security. So here I will select this one. Okay, next and finish. So now go to text, and here we have to add the vector asset for first edit text. So here I will select drive left. So here we have to add the email, and here we have to add the padding. So here I will select padding dribble. So here I will select dribble padding is 15 dp, or you can say 10 dp is enough. Now here we will use both line for password. So here I will copy paste, and here we will change into security. Okay, now our edit text are ready. So now we need to add a forgot password. So here I will simply drag a text view. So here I will simply drag and add the constraint from the right and from top, like this. Okay, now select a margin a little bit from top in 16 dp, and here I will change the id into forgot password. So here I will change it to forgot password, and now we have to shift into text and select this text view, and here we have to change text forgot password. Okay, now change the text color into white. So here I will select the text color and select the text size into 20 sp. Okay, now our forgot password is ready. So now go to design again, and here we have to select the button for login. So here I simply drag a button. So here we have to add the constraint like this, and here we have to add the constraint left, right and top, and change it into match parent. Now give the id btn login. Okay, now go to text and select this button, and here we have to change it into login and change the text color into white. And now here we have to select the background. I will use same background input bg. Okay, now here you can see it's looking very nice. So we have to select this login button and change it into 16 dp top margin. Okay, so here we have to drag a little bit from top like this, and also like this. Okay, now we have to create new account text view. So here I simply paste our text view. So here we have to add the constraint like this, and add the margin from the top 16 dp and change it into create new account. Okay, now go to text and select this text view, and here we have to change it into create new account. Okay, now change the text color. So here I will select white, and text size, so here I will select 20 sp. Okay, so our half form is completed. So now we have to add another text view. So here I will select the text view, and here I will give any id. So here we have to just change the text. So here I will change it into r, and go to design and add the constraint from all side. Let me add the constraint. Okay, now change the text color into white. So here I will change the text color into white, and text size into 20 sp, and text style into bold. Okay, now we need to add over two lines that are views. So here I will simply create two views. So here I will create the views. You can simply drag or write a new code here. So here I will select into match parent and 10 dp height for now, and background that is white. So here I will select the white background. Okay, now go to design, and here we have to select this view, and here I will add the constraint like this. Here I will add the constraint to the left of right of this button. So and the left to the left of this r, you can see here we have added both over constraints. So now we have to change it into match parent, you can see here. So let me drag it here, and here I will add the constraint top to the top of the r and bottom to the bottom of the r. Okay, so now here I will press Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Now we have added two views. So here I will add the constraint left to the left of this button, and to the right of this r. Okay, so now here I have to select this r, and sorry, not r, here we have to select this view, and here we have to simply give a margin little bit. So here I will select 16 dp, and here we have to select the next one, and here we have to select the 16 dp. Okay, now our views are ready, and just we need to change the height. So here I will select 2 dp, and now for the second one, sorry, we have to select this 2 dp. Okay, so our views are ready. So now we have to add our authentication button. So here I have to select different buttons. So first one is over Google. So here I will select the Google logo. Okay, so here I have to give the btn Google, You can call it btn or image view. So here I have to select the width and height. So here I will select width into 15 dp and height into 15 dp. Okay, next image view for Facebook. So here I will select the Facebook. So again btn Facebook. So now again 50 dp width, 50 dp height. Okay, now we have to select all these images. So here I will select 1 2 3 4 5 and just right click on it and select the chain, and here we have to select horizontal chain. So again we have to select right click and select chain, horizontal chain, and here we have to select packed. That's it. And here we have to select middle one, and we have to add all the constraint to the middle one. So let's say I select the third one and add the constraint bottom to the bottom of this one, top to the top of this one, and again select this one. Okay, now we have to give a little bit margin. So first of all we have to select the middle one. So here I will select 8 dp and 8 dp. Now here I will select this one, 8 dp, 8 dp. So now here last one, just have to give the 8 dp on the left. Now select the Facebook and again 8 dp, 8 dp, and here we have to select 8 dp on the right side. Okay, now here we have to add the constraint of the middle. So just we have to select add the bottom constraint and top constraint. Okay, so our login form is ready. You can also decrease or increase the transparent effect. So just simply go to code, and here we have to select here and just simply drag, increase or decrease according to your requirement. Okay, so now I will copy all the code. So here I will select all the code and we will create the registration form. So first of all we have to create the registration activity. So here I will create, right click new and select the activity, and here I will select empty activity. So here we have to pass here register activity. Okay, now go to main activity and here we will copy all the code and go to our register activity, and here we will paste all the code. Okay, here you can add our background. So here again I will add the background bg. Okay, so here you want to change the logo. So here I will change it into register, and here we have to remove our create new account and these images. So at the bottom I will remove all the images. So here we have different images. If you want to keep these images on the bottom you can, otherwise you can remove. So here I will remove all the images, and here I will remove this view, text view, and last views. Okay, so here I have to change the btn, sorry, here we have to change this text view. Already have an account, so here I will select already have, already have account. So here we have to change btn login to btn register. So here I will create btn register. It will change the constraints. So here we have to just simply paste it here. So here I will paste btn register, btn register, and btn register. Also we have to change the text into register. So here I will change it into register. Okay, now we have no need of this forgot password. So here I will remove the forgot password. And also we have need to another edit text for the confirm password. So here I will copy paste. So here I will select this one and Control C, Control V. Okay, now add the constraint at the bottom like this, and go to design, and here I will select a margin from top, and here I will change it into input confirm password. So here I will select input confirm password. Okay, now here I will select the PTN, so here I have to add the constraint like this. Okay, now here I have to select a margin. So first of all we have to add the constraint from the top of this confirm password. So here we have to add the margin from the top little bit. Okay, now go to code, and here we have to change it into confirm password. So here I will add confirm password. Okay, so our registration form are ready. So first of all we have to open the main activity, and here we have to create the text view. So here I will create text view, create new account. So here I will initialize it because we have to open the next activity. So here I will create new account equal to find view by id or dot id dot create new account. So when we click on this create new account, we will open next activity. So set on click listener, new on click listener. So here we have to open the new activity. So here I will create start activity, new intent, and here we have main activity dot this, and target activity is over registered activity. Okay, now I will copy this code and go to registered activity. So here I will paste that code, and also we have to this one. Okay, so here we have to create forgot password, sorry, not forgot password. Let me check the id of this one. Already have an account, sorry, it's create new account. So here we change the id, already have account. So again we have to create here text view. So this is over registered activity. Okay, our code is ready. Now just go to the text, sorry, color. So here we have to remove this color and change it into black color. So here I will select this color, and also we have to select this one and change this color into this one. Okay, now run the application and let's see how it's looking. Okay, our application is successfully running. So here you can see, here we have login form. So when I click on the create new account, here you can see we have registration form. So in this way you can create the register and login form. So here we have mistake because we have to open the login activity. Okay, so you can simply remove this status bar. So go to main activity, and here we have to get window dot set flag, and here we have to open window manager dot layout params dot full screen, and here again window manager dot layout params dot full screen. Okay, now copy this line and paste inside our registration form like this. Okay, now run it again. Okay, now here you can see it's looking very nice. So here you can see it's working fine. So in the next video we will perform the authentication one by one. So if you have any question, any problem, let me in the comment section. Please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my channel. See you next video. Take care.